madness.
Welcome to the third unboxing video of Tuhins editing. Today we are going to unbox Xiaomi Redmi AirDots 1. Xiaomi Redmi AirDots 2 wireless Bluetooth headphone is a low budget headphone which is cheap in price but the quality is top notch. After the unboxing we got one charging case which has the headphones inside and one USB cable to charge the headphones. The charging case and also the headphones both are cheap looking and plastic built. But to be honest, considering the price of the headphone, it was pretty good. As AirDots 2 and AirDots 3 are already on the market, this AirDot 1 is the best option for you if you consider a low budget. Charging cable is made of plastic. There's USB charging port on the back and the build quality is cheap. After opening the charging case, you will see two small headphones which are connected magnetically with the case. These two earbuds are very light. You will feel nothing when you put them on. They are also sweat proof and splash proof, so perfect for workout or gym sessions. Earbuds have small LED indicator lights. After being paired, the blue color light will blink and while charging through case, red light indicator shows. It has clicky buttons to start or pause the music track but no option to skip to the next track or previous one. Once you pair it with your smartphone, whenever you open the headphones from the case, they will get connected automatically. These earbuds use Bluetooth 5 connection and you can listen to songs with them for up to 3 hours. And the standby time is up to 150 hours for the Bluetooth headphones. The charging case capacity is 300 mAh, by which you can charge the headphones up to 3 times. Now talking about sound quality. These earbuds will provide you very balanced sound for you. If you like extra bass on your headphone, this will be kind of disappointing, but for the day-to-day use, this is a very balanced headphone in this budget range. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any question about the product. Consider subscribing to our channel for more tech and graphic related videos. See you in the next one. সুন্দর থাক, অভিনয় থাক, অভিনয় ক্যারেক্টারে থাক। এটা হলো রং ওয়ে। হেডফোন ঠিক করার পর, আরে হেডফোন ঠিক করার পর, এটা ঠিক করার পর। হ্যাঁ যাই যাই আসল ভাই, এবার গান শোন। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।